Hello everyone, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain how to prepare macros in Excel. What is macro? Macro is a short program which is used to perform repetitive tasks in Excel. How we can prepare macros we will discuss in this tutorial. Here I have been given a workbook wherein there are 6 worksheets. Every worksheet contains student related information. In the first worksheet I have student roll number information. In the second worksheet I have student name. The third worksheet I have location of students. In the fourth worksheet I have marks of student. In the sixth worksheet I have grades of students. What I want to do, I want to create a macro which will collect all these information from different worksheets and will put together all those information in a single worksheet. So can we create this macro? Yes, we can do so. In order to create a macro, what I will do, I will go to a developer tab. In developer tab we have 3 options: record macro, use relative reference, and last one is macro security. So I will use a option called record macro. When you click record macro, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box will ask you to name a macro. So I will give a short name to this macro, like macro 3. Like a macro 3 is a short name of this macro. Now I will assign a shortcut key to this macro, like Ctrl J. Ctrl J is a shortcut key which will run this macro. The next option, it is asking me where do you want to store this macro, whether in the new workbook, in this workbook, or a personal macro workbook. I'm telling this dialog box to store this macro in this workbook. Now the last option, it is asking me for the description. Here I need to give a short description of this macro, like collect student data from different worksheets and put together in the last worksheet. Before you click OK, make sure you spend all the time related to this macro only, because if you will assign idle time to this macro will become lengthy and it will consume more time. But if you want your macro to be a time saving and a quick one, you need to perform your macro related task only. Let's see how. I'm going to click OK. The moment I click OK, I will go to this worksheet. I will copy this data and I will paste it here. I will go to a name worksheet. I will copy student name and I will paste it here. I will go to location worksheet. I will copy locations and I will paste it here. I will go to marks worksheet. I will copy marks and I will paste it here. I will go to grade worksheet. I will copy grade and I will paste it here. So this is how I have collected all student related information. Since I have collected all the information, now I'm going to developer tab and going to stop this macro. Now, what I will do next, I will erase all this data. You must be wondering that after collecting all the data and putting together in this worksheet, why did I erase all the data? The reason being is my macro has already been prepared. Since my macro is already in place, I don't need to worry about my data, because the moment I will run my macro, it will restore my data. So we want to see how. I gave a shortcut key called Ctrl J to run this macro. Now I will press Ctrl J. The moment I will press Ctrl J, it will restore my data. Let's see how. I am pressing Ctrl J. See how quickly it restored my data. So this is the benefit of creating macro. It will perform your lengthy task in a few seconds or a few minutes. Now, what I want next, I want to assign a command button to this macro. Why I want so? Because I don't want all the time to run my shortcut key called Ctrl J to run this macro. I just want this macro to run on a single click. Let's see how we can create a command button. Go to developer tab, go to insert, click on button under the form controls and drag that button here. When you create a command button, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box will ask you which macro you want me to assign to your command button. Here there are 3 macros, and the macro that one we created is macro 3. So we will click this macro 3 and we'll click OK. Now I will rename this button as copy paste data. Now I will right click this button and will go to format control and select a font size of 16 and will make it bit bold and then OK. Now it is properly visible. Now what I am going to do next, I am going to erase this data again. Now, the moment I will click on this button, it will automatically restore my data. Let's see how. The moment I click this button, it automatically restored my data in a quickest way. This is the benefit of using macros. It can perform your lengthy task in few seconds or few minutes. Such macros will be very useful if you are dealing with large set of data. I hope you like this learning today. Thank you.